Welcome to LMC. Today we're taking a look at this Toyota RAV4 XL HEV. It's got a 2.5 litre petrol hybrid engine with an automatic gearbox and is on 65,049 miles. Really nice light forest green colour to this car with chrome accents around the windows and door handles. Nice rugged look to it. Lots of nice angles, especially around the arches and the front end. You've also got this satin chrome alloy wheels, looking really nice, as well as front parking sensors, nice bright front lights. Tinted side and rear glass, nice big boot lid spoiler and sleek looking rear lights, as well as rear parking sensors and a camera. Now you've got an automatic boot, revealing plenty of space inside. You've also got fixing points at the rear and JBL speakers throughout the vehicle. In terms of the interior, plenty of legroom with full leather seating throughout, charging points at the back of the centre console, and an armrest folding out with cup holders. Up front, where your window controls are on the door cards, you've got electronic seats with different set adjustments on the door as well. You've also got heated steering wheel, leather seating up front with a leather armrest, and automatic headlight controls on the left stick. This car also features a push to start button, bringing up a clear instrument cluster and steering wheel controls on either side, and a touchscreen in the centre featuring maps and navigation, as well as radio. You've also got Bluetooth, USB and Miracast as well, and Bluetooth connection for your phone. Now putting the vehicle into reverse, brings up its rear camera, and beneath this we've got climate controls, heated seats, nice ambient lighting in the storage area where you find a 12-volt socket and USB point, different driving modes as well as trail mode, two nice big rugged looking cup holders and storage underneath the armrest. So if you'd like any more information, please visit our website, and thank you very much for watching.